Hey there everybody, I was online looking up some DIY Christmas hacks and I saw these cute little yarn ornaments. So we're going to take that and make it for our doll. We're going to need yarn, of course, empty cardboard roll, a little glue, and a lot of time. It's an easy project, but it takes a minute. So to get started, we're going to cut a small piece of our cardboard tube. This right here is from wrapping paper. It's like the perfect size for the Barbies. If your doll has a larger size head, you might have to like take 2 of those and glue it together. I want to do a quick measurement so that you could see on the doll. That's going to be perfect when when we're all done. It'll fit really nicely. So I'm just going to glue the extra part down. Set that to the side, and from here we're going to take our yarn and we're going to measure off maybe 5 inches, maybe 4. Then we're going to fold it and repeat. And we're going to continue to fold the yarn. You get a nice large handful. And from there we'll cut the bottom. We have tons of yarn that's cut in a little loop, so we're going to put the loop up under the cardboard and pull the other end through the loop. And it's going to look like that. Again, it's not hard at all. Just have to have a little patience. And the cool thing about these hats is that you could do any color that you want. It could all be one solid color, or you could mix it up, make a little pattern. Right here, I'm making a pattern. I'm doing 3 of the dark brown. Then I'll do 2 of the white. Then I'll have 1 beige, 2 more white. And then I'll repeat 3 brown, 2 white, 1 beige, 2 white, 3 brown, 2 white, just like that, until all of our cardboard roll is covered. And when you're done, it's gonna look like this. And from there, we're gonna pull all of the yarn through to the inside of our cardboard tube. You can see the little brim of the hat coming out. And we'll take another piece of yarn, tie a knot in the top, and trim the extra. You're gonna fluff out the little puff, and you have a hat for your doll. Pretty easy, pretty quick. You didn't have to knit anything, which is extra good. And like I said, you could use any colors that you like and any pattern. I think they're super cute and they're pretty easy to make. No hot glue, so that's extra cool. Thanks guys for watching. I hope that you guys enjoy the video. I like this one. Remember to like, follow, share, and subscribe, and leave comments. I got a comment on my last video asking about the craft foam with the wood grain print on there. And I know that the brand name is the Chanel Craft. And I want to thank Beja View for leaving a comment. Welcome to the red carpet officially, Beja View. And if you want to be welcomed, all you have to do is just leave me a comment. So thanks for watching again. And remember, it's more fun to make it.